The AIG portable actuator is a lightweight, battery-powered portable actuator which allows safe operation of valves and provides asset condition data including torque mapping charts for every valve operation. Included in the kit is an extendable spindle with magnetic locking pin. Also included are 2 reaction arms for extra torque stability, a support pedestal which is height adjustable to promote safe valve operation. Also supplied are 2 cap-top adapters, large and small. The 3S portable actuator is supplied in a heavy-duty wheeled carry case for ease of transport of the battery, power cable and actuator unit. Also available is a torque booster arm which can be added to the actuator to increase torque power by up to 2 times. With the torque booster kit comes a strengthened spindle. To assemble ready for valve operation, first attach the required cap-top adapter using the rubber O-ring and metal pin. Then place the spindle onto the valve. Next, attach the actuator to the top of the spindle, ensuring to align the locking push pin with the groove at the top. To attach the support pedestal to the actuator, slide the threaded locking pin through the actuator mounting bracket and the support pedestal like so. Then lock in place by tightening the lock nut. The support pedestal height can be adjusted using this locking pin. For larger valves, attach 1 or 2 of the supplied reaction arms and lock into place. Next, attach the power cable to the actuator, ensuring these 2 screws line up. Connect the other end of the cable directly to the battery, ensuring the terminal is locked in place. To power on the actuator, press the power button on the front of the battery. The charge level of the battery is indicated by the number of LEDs illuminated on the front. To operate the actuator, once powered on, press the start button and set the torque limit required. This is done by sliding your finger across the screen or by tapping plus or minus to move the torque in smaller increments. You can also set the speed limit by tapping speed limit and using the same method. Once settings are complete, just press start to operate the valve. Use the thumb switch to select the direction of operation. The CWM or Calm Water Management button reduces the turning speed of the actuator to reduce network transient and water hammer. You can select this button at any time during the valve operation. At the end of the operation, select back and turn the actuator off by selecting Quit from the main start menu. Wait for the screen to go black before disconnecting from the battery. When using the torque booster kit, attach the adapter to the strengthened spindle using the O-ring and pin. Place the spindle on the valve and attach the torque booster arm like so. Attach the actuator to the torque arm, ensuring the push pin is lined up correctly. Attach both torque reaction arms and slot into place using the push pins on the actuator and also at the end of the torque booster arm. connect the battery to the actuator and power on as usual. Once connected, press start, and remember when using the torque booster kit to press the boost button. You'll then be able to raise the torque limit to double the power of the actuator. To charge the battery using the supplied charger, connect the cable to the battery, switch on the power at the wall socket, and then press the power button on the battery. Thanks for watching. For any further information, please contact us at smart-actuation.com.